Ever wondered about the role of the National Legal Service Authority, or NALSA, in the Indian legal system? NALSA is an essential element of the Indian legal framework, established under the Legal Services Authorities Act of 1987. Its primary mission is to provide free legal services to the weaker sections of society, ensuring that everyone has access to justice, regardless of their socioeconomic status. But that's not all. NALSA also plays a pivotal role in reducing the burden on the judiciary. How? By prioritizing the speedy disposal of cases. This is accomplished through the organization of Lok Adalats, or People's Courts, which aim to resolve disputes amicably and efficiently. So, in essence, NALSA is a beacon of hope for those who may otherwise struggle to navigate the complex world of legal proceedings. It strives to bring justice closer to the people, one case at a time. Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's delve deeper. NALSA's structure is quite unique and comprehensive. At its helm sits the Chief Justice of India, serving as the patron-in-chief, while the second senior-most judge of the Supreme Court of India holds the position of executive chairman. This leadership ensures a strong connection between NALSA and the highest judiciary of the country. In addition to this robust central structure, NALSA is deeply rooted in the very fabric of the Indian legal system. It extends its reach to every state, every high court, every district, and most of the taluks across the country. This is made possible by the constitution of state legal services authorities and high court legal services committees, which are established in every state and high court respectively. Each state legal services authority is entrusted with the task of implementing NALSA's policies and directions at the state level. They play a crucial role in ensuring that the weaker sections of society have access to free legal services. Similarly, the High Court Legal Services Committees are constituted to fulfill the same objectives at the High Court level. They work diligently to ensure that justice is not just a concept but a reality for the underprivileged sections of society. Taking it further to the grassroots, District Legal Services Authorities and Taluk Legal Services Committees have been constituted in the districts and most of the taluks. These committees bring the mission and vision of NALSA to the people at the ground level. They not only provide free legal services, but also conduct Lok Adalats, a form of alternative dispute resolution, in their respective jurisdictions. To put it simply, NALSA's structure is like a vast network of legal aid providers, all working in unison towards a common goal: justice for all. Each level of this structure plays a vital role in bringing NALSA's vision to fruition. So, NALSA's reach is extensive, covering the length and breadth of the nation. Through its unique and comprehensive structure, NALSA ensures that no corner of the country remains untouched by its mission to provide free legal services to the weaker sections of society. Beyond offering free legal services, NALSA takes a proactive role in educating the public. NALSA believes in the power of knowledge as a tool for justice. To put this belief into action, it conducts legal literacy programs across the country. These programs are carried out through state legal services authorities, which are NALSA's arms in every state. The aim of these programs is to raise awareness about legal rights and obligations among the general public. They cover a variety of topics, ranging from fundamental rights and duties to details about how the justice system works. These programs are not limited to classrooms or lecture halls. They also reach out to communities, workplaces, schools, and other places where people gather. By doing so, NALSA ensures that the power of legal knowledge is accessible to all, regardless of their location or background. In essence, NALSA not only provides aid, but also empowers through knowledge. By equipping individuals with legal literacy, it enables them to navigate the maze of law with confidence. So, who exactly benefits from these free legal services? You might wonder. Well, NALSA's reach is broad and inclusive, covering a wide spectrum of society. Its services are extended to women and children, ensuring their legal rights are upheld and protected. Members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are also encompassed under NALSA's umbrella, as are industrial workmen, often susceptible to legal exploitation. But NALSA doesn't stop there. It extends its arm of support to victims of disasters, both natural and man-made, including floods, droughts, earthquakes, and industrial disasters. The disabled, often sidelined in legal matters, are also beneficiaries of NALSA's services. People in custody who often lack the resources to defend themselves are not forgotten. They too are eligible for these services, and victims of trafficking or beggars who find themselves caught in a web of legal complexities can also avail themselves of NALSA's assistance. NALSA's services are indeed a lifeline for the most vulnerable in society. NALSA's mission is deeply rooted in the Indian Constitution itself. It's not merely an organization, but a manifestation of the constitutional spirit. Let's delve into the constitutional provisions that support NALSA's mission. Article 39A, for instance, provides for free legal aid to the poor and weaker sections of society and ensures justice for all. This article is the very backbone of NALSA's commitment to providing free legal services to those in need. Then we have Articles 14 and 22. 1. These articles make it obligatory for the state to ensure equality before the law and a legal system that promotes justice on an equal opportunity basis. They underscore the need for a fair and just legal system where everyone, regardless of their social or economic status, has an equal shot at justice. Thus, NALSA stands as a pillar of justice, embodying the spirit of the Indian Constitution. In the vast landscape of the Indian legal system, NALSA has a pivotal role. It stands as a beacon of hope for the weaker sections of society, ensuring free legal services and amicable dispute resolution through Lok Adalats. At its helm are the eminent Chief Justice of India and the second senior-most judge of the Supreme Court, steering the course towards speedy case disposals and a lighter burden on our judiciary. Structurally, NALSA's reach stretches from the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi to every state, high court, district, and many taluks. Its impact is amplified through legal literacy programs, and its wide-ranging beneficiaries include women, children, marginalized communities, industrial workers, disaster victims, disabled individuals, persons in custody, and many more. In the spirit of constitutional provisions like Article 39A, NALSA is a testament to the state's commitment to ensure equality before the law and justice for all. Next time you think of justice, remember NALSA, the silent guardian of India's legal framework.